In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Tabby with Shopify. If you're aiming to enhance your Shopify store by adding flexible payment options, integrating Tabby can be a fantastic choice. It provides your customers with a quick and simple way to manage their payments. So let's dive into the process and walk through it step by step. First things first, we need to install the Tabby payment app onto your Shopify platform. Head over to the Shopify App Store, which you can easily find by logging into your Shopify account. Once you're in the store, use the search bar to find the app you need. You may come across it listed as Tabby Payment, or sometimes via the reputable CartDNA's listing. It's crucial to ensure you're selecting the correct app, so double-check the developer information to confirm it's the legitimate one. Once you have found the Tabby app, select it to begin the installation process. At this point, Shopify may prompt you with some details about the app, including what data it can access and what changes it might make to your store. Don't worry, this is completely normal. It's essential to review these details, ensuring that you understand and agree with the terms before proceeding. Now, click on the Install button. The app will start downloading and setting itself up within your Shopify environment. This part usually takes a couple of minutes, so hang tight while Shopify does its magic. During this process, the app might also set up some initial configurations, so it's tailoring itself to be ready for your use. After the installation is complete, you'll want to navigate over to your list of installed apps. You can usually find this section on the Shopify dashboard under the Apps section. Locate the Tabby app from the list, which should now be present with all the other apps you might be using for your store. It's a good time here to open the app to explore what options and settings you have access to. Now you might see several configuration settings. Feel free to start with the general settings to align them with your store's policies and preferences. This could include things like setting up payment intervals or customizing what customers will see as they go through the checkout process when selecting Tabby as their payment method. And just like that, with Tabby integrated into your Shopify store, your customers are now empowered with a flexible way to handle their payments. Providing this level of flexibility can really enhance the shopping experience, often impacting customer satisfaction positively. By following these instruction steps, you can quickly add sophisticated payment solutions onto your store without too much hassle. If you encounter any hiccups along the way, Shopify's Help Center or Tabby's support resources are excellent places to reach out for assistance. Now you're all set to offer your customers this fantastic payment option. Thanks for watching, and happy selling!